You can trade your surplus materials for trees and shrubs at Highland Hill Farm. Here are some examples of things that we will take in trade for our trees and shrubs. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329, Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.